Time to do that research project. Where's the first place you guys always go to? Google, right? Not anymore. Did you know you have a place right here in Tingsboro that you can get probably more information than you can from Google? That's right, the Tingsboro Public Library. The Tingsboro Library is loaded with all kinds of resources. And if they don't have the resources there, you can be sure you can almost get anything you need. Why would you go to the library? Just for books? It's not just for books. You can get all kinds of things at the library these days. They have DVDs you can borrow, CDs, museum passes. They have software databases. We'll get to that in a little bit. The librarian can be one of your best resources to help you find things in your research. Sometimes they have classes, and almost every library will have free Wi-Fi available for you. What are some of the things that you can do at the Tingsboro Public Library? Here are some of their services. They have computers. If you don't have a computer at home and you need to get some work done, you can go to the library and use their computers for free. If they don't have the book or the resource you need, and you have a library card, you can use a thing called the interlibrary loan, and you can get it delivered to the public library in Tingsboro from almost any other library in the network. If your parents need help with their taxes or need some forms, you can pick it up for them there at the library. And of course, there's free Wi-Fi available at the Tingsboro Public Library. You can also get passes to museums. Sometimes they're free, and almost always they're at a discount. You'll see on the left where you can just simply request the pass for, say, the U.S. Constitution. And this one will tell you that it'll get to 9 people free of charge. Not a bad deal. They also have databases there. What's a database? Definition of a library database: it's an organized collection of electronic information that allows a user to search for a particular topic, article, or a book in a variety of ways. This means you can find specialized collections and find things that you might not be able to find using Google or other things. If you can't make it to the Tingsboro Library, you can always go online to this big library we have called the Library of Congress. This is the National Library for the United States. They have all kinds of collections there. You can get old newspapers dating back to the late 1800s. You can also get digital collections, film clippings. You can find old maps of almost anything. Lastly, you can also look for specialized databases. This is the Find Sounds database, which specializes in all different types of sound clips that you could use for projects. Just by clicking on, for examples, look at all the different birds you could find. If you wanted to find sounds for the waxwing bird, look at all the different sounds you could use. Now you know what the waxwing sounds like. So, don't just use Google. Let's get to the Tingsboro Public Library.